Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. First, confirm the laptop is plugged in or battery is above 10% so settings changes apply reliably. Once done, check and remember current display and sleep timers in power settings so you can undo changes later. Try waking the machine immediately with a keyboard key, mouse click, or a quick press of the power button. If the screen flickers, let it settle. This verifies the system responds before proceeding to deeper power-saving controls. You'll now modify power plans to exit power saving mode. On Windows, open Power Options via Control Panel or Settings System Power and Sleep. Choose Balanced or High Performance to restore responsiveness. Next, edit Advanced Plan Settings. Disable Hybrid Sleep, set Sleep to Never for testing, and change USB Selective Suspend and PCI Express Link state to off. Make sure to save each change. This prevents the OS from re-entering deep save states that can block wake signals and peripheral power. Finish by rebooting so all power setting changes apply cleanly. Then update chipset, graphics, and power management drivers because outdated drivers often force persistent sleep behavior. If the issue continues, enter BIOS or UEFI and review power options. Enable wake sources like wake on LAN or USB as required. If none of that fixes it, boot into safe mode and uninstall any recent driver updates or power utilities, because that
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.